In your smartphone, open the Settings app, scroll down, tap on About Phone, scroll down, tap on Software Information, and here you will find Build Number. Tap Build Number for 11 times to enable developer mode. Verify your phone lock, tap on OK, and the developer mode will be turned on. Now go to your Play Store, search for fake GPS location, all you have to need, install this fake GPS location from Lexa app on your phone. Once it's installed, open the fake GPS app, tap on Open Settings. In here, scroll down and under Location section, tap on Select Mock Location App, select Fake GPS. Now close the app and relaunch the fake GPS app. And now go ahead and select the fake location. I'm selecting this location for example and tapping on this play option. And here, allow fake GPS to send you notification. Just tap on allow. And now it's time to send the fake location in our WhatsApp. So go to your WhatsApp, go to the chat or conversation, tap this attachment icon, select location. You can select share live location, or you can select send your current location. So I'm selecting send current location. And as you can see, my fake location successfully sent it. Let's send live location. So as you can see, my live location is a fake location. Once you successfully send it your fake location, now all you have to need, just go to the fake GPS location, tap on stop, and then go to your phone settings, scroll down, developer options, and disable developer options. And that's it.